How to add funds to Google Play Balance. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can add funds to your Google Play Balance. Now, obviously, you can use different providers like PayPal or something like that. But when it comes to your Google Play Balance, you can even add it through your credit card and all those ways. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Google Play. Okay, you can use this through your phone as well, by the way. I'm just doing it from my browser for better convenience. But yeah, once you're on your Google Play, what you're going to do from here is you can go over to payment and subscriptions. And once you go over to your Google Play, over here, I'm just going to wait for these methods to load out. So here you can see you can either add your very own PayPal, add your credit or debit card. And once you do that, add the amount that you want to input and you should be good to go from there. So that is how you can add funds to your Google Play Balance. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.